Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rokeya Khalifa. Even if you've seen my face before, this is your first time to stop by, my name is Rokeya Khalifa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up if you haven't. If you're not a subscriber, hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Please like, share, comment, and if you have not yet turned notification up, this is the perfect time to do so. So every time I do upload a new video, you're gonna be the first one to watch. But anyways guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, today is gonna be a wig. I'm talking about this wig I'm wearing right now. So yeah, so this is the wig that I want to be talking about right now guys. I thought to myself, I want to basically to spend less but at the same time look good, and the hair to look a bit natural, and at the same time I can just basically save up and then until I get like proper amazing wig that I want from this color to see exactly how it looks in my skin tone. So I got this wig, £25 guys. So beautiful. I really love this wig. It doesn't shed at all. I love the color on the skin, dark skin girls. It usually looks so beautiful on me. I love the pattern. It's just like a little pattern right here in the middle. It's full lace, actually not full lace, it's usually like front lace just to here. You can do baby hair, but I tried to do a baby hair in the front. Like you can tell, it looks like literally my skin tone. If the lace, it literally looked like my skin tone. It didn't look anything different on my skin tone, so that's literally amazing. That's literally a bonus as well. £25, you cannot go wrong with this kind of wig like this. For summer, for like a couple of days, whatever, or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, just to throw on and go out and take cute pictures and go out with your friend and have fun, and at the same time you're still saving that money, that the wig that you always want. So I think this is just like amazing wig to try on, because sometimes you can love the color that you want to buy, and when you buy the real one you don't love the color at all. And this is just that perfect wig that you can literally buy, and at the same time you can just be like, let me just think if this wig is gonna look nice on me. And then when you do buy it, and when it looks nice on you, then you can buy like human hair, and you can spend like £1,000 or £600 or £600. It depends what you buy, and it depends what hair you want. It depends how much inch you want in the wig as well. So yeah, so this basically is 32 inches. It's really right there, and the back is quite long in the back. This is how it looks like in the back guys, and this is how it looks in the sides, and the back and the side is quite long. It has like a body wave curls basically. So beautiful, so amazing. You can, like, I can pull my finger inside. It's not any tangling at the moment. So yeah, and I thought let me just come here to show you exactly where I got it and how it looks like on me, and you can have a little idea exactly how it's gonna look on you as well. If you want to get this kind of wig for summer, you don't want to spend that quite much money, you want to go to Dubai and look good, and at the same time be in a budget. You've been suffering for this lockdown, and now it's time for you to travel, and at the same time you want to look good in a good wig. This is the perfect wig to wear basically, to go to Dubai, and at the same time do your best what you could and spend that money in activity and food and a hotel and whatnot and beautiful bag, and at the same time you're looking good with the cheap wig, £25. So you cannot go wrong with this guys. I think this is usually a beautiful wig, but that's just my opinion. But yeah, let me just go into the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up, and I'll see you guys in a bit guys. So I'm here today talking about the wig. I got this wig basically, this right here, this wig, I got this wig about £25 in UK. I'm so excited. It's not human hair, it's fantastic hair. It's very affordable, as I think it's very affordable for everyone who basically you don't know exactly what color you want to go for. You just want to try for the sake of trying in summertime as well, but you don't want to spend quite loads of money, but you want to look good at the same time. So I thought this is literally so beautiful. It's so amazing color. This is how it's supposed to look like, basically, right here. £25, you cannot go wrong with this wig, just for like a few days, and then you're good to go. And you can buy, like, when you have literally money, you can buy like real human hair. But this is just for a trial, and I think this is literally amazing, so fabulous. I can't wait to try it, guys. And this is how it comes like in the packet, basically, guys. £25, I don't think it's that bad, you know. It's full lace wig. It doesn't come with the baby hair, so you have to create your own baby hair, basically. This is how it looks like when you take the bag out. It has basically lace right there. Let me just take it out so you can see exactly what's going on. I don't want to read it. I'm so scared. So this is how it looks like, guys. I'm so excited for this because I always wanted to have like a blonde hair, just to try it on, and until when I have money, and then I can buy a new wig, like natural human wig. This is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks like. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it. So it comes with the lace front, lace right there is a brown lace as well, so you don't have to do that much work basically to be done. Usually it's so brown lace, so you can look, it looks like my skin tone, guys. I really love this wig. Haven't tried it on yet, but I think this will look so amazing. I think it's 32 inches. Is it? I don't even know how many inches it is. I think it's 32 inches if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 32 inches. Blonde hair. It has like a brownish color. It starts on the roof, and then right here it goes all over blonde. I'm so excited, guys. I cannot wait to try this on. Let's just try this on. Inside it doesn't come with any combs to help you basically to stay the wig to be in the same place. It doesn't come with the comb, so I don't know how it's gonna work out. This is how inside looks like, guys. Nothing special, it's just like really simple wig. It doesn't have a combs on the side. It has like a little strap right here, so you can literally scrap it if it's bigger or smaller. You can change the setting if you want to. It has a comb literally in the front bit, that's it, but on the side it doesn't have it. Let me just try it in the camera. You can see how it looks like. Oh wait, got it wrong. Let me just, I don't wanna, let me just put my hat on first. Let me put my hat on. This is me right now putting my hat on. Just a little hard to see exactly how it's gonna go and stuff. So the little hat is on, the little brown hat. It doesn't come with any brown hat as well, but £25 is not that bad for Amazon. It's not that bad, you know what I mean? It's not that bad, the wig. Let me just try this on and see how it looks like. You ready? Oh, who's this young lady? If I'm looking that way, is a mirror over there, guys, so just bear with me. This is how it looks like, guys. What do you think? Without cutting the lace, this is how it looks like, basically, guys. What do you think? Oh my god, who is this brand new person? Let me just go ahead and cut the lace and everything behind the camera, because I think you guys know exactly how to cut the lace, how to put the wig on, and I'll come and I'll create like a little baby hair and stuff, and I'll come to show you the last product, how it looks like. But I'm so happy, like the lace, it looks like literally my skin tone is literally right there in the front. It doesn't look that bad, the lace. I literally love it. I literally love this color, but it's just like all over in my face, like it's not real, it's not natural basically, but I really love it. Oh my god, guys, I hate it. I'm so excited for this. Like, I think even this top, it looks so amazing with this kind of hair. I really love it. Like, what do you guys think? I haven't even cut the lace and it looks so fantastic on my skin tone. I'm just gonna cut the lace and do the baby hair, and I'll come back here. I'm repeating myself, I know. I really love these curls. It's like literally loose curls, natural curls. I look like a buddy. I look like Buddy right now, and it's very friendly wig basically, and I was really tight. It doesn't really tie my hair. It's literally perfect fit on my head, so you can literally see how perfect fit it is. And this is how the back looks like, guys. This is how the back looks like, and this is how the front looks like. It's quite long. It's literally right there. It's like 32-inch basically, guys. Really long. I really love the curls and whatnot. You can straight the wig and then you can curl the wig as well, so it's heat friendly. So just why I'm so in love with this wig. £32 is not that bad. £35, sorry, £25 is not that bad this wig. I usually recommend it for people that they want to save up, and when you got really good money, you can buy literally the one that you want. But this for like a couple of days or a week, this will literally do for me. Like literally, you don't have to spend quite loads of money to look so good, and this is just proof it. Let me just go ahead and style it, and I'll come back here and I'll show you guys how it looks like. I can't believe this. Like, can you believe it, guys? I'm just gonna do the pattern as well. Just gonna plug it right here. Let me just come forward. You can tell. Just gonna plug it a little bit. It goes all over my lipstick. This is a whole. I hate to wear a wig when you got your lipstick on because it sticks on. And then I'm just gonna straighten it a little bit right here to make it a little bit settled and whatnot. And I'm gonna come back here and I can show you guys what's going on and stuff. I just love it. I love it. Love it. But yeah, so it comes with different colors as well. I think so. It comes with different colors. It comes with black, blonde, black, blonde all over to the roof, all over blonde. It comes red, and it comes this color as well, and it comes like a bit brownish, like a honey color as well, and one red, because I think red will look so amazing on me in the summer as well. So it's very affordable. It's very affordable. £25, that's quite affordable. I'm gonna get every color to just for the sake of it, you know. It's not tangled yet, so we'll see how long it will start tangling. But if it starts tangling, you can just cut it, like cut short until when you literally you wear it, you're worth your money and stuff. But let me just go ahead and cut the lace and I'll come back. I already said that for like 5 times, but I'm just so in love with this. Guys, this is a hair right here. What do you guys think? Let me just get a brush so I can brush it out. It's a bit shading, but it's not that quite a lot coming out of the hair. It's a bit, but it's not tangling at all, so that's really good. Bit at the back right now, so you have to comb it and comb it and comb it, as is not human hair obviously, guys. So this is how it looks like. Let me just put everything in the front so you can tell everything how it looks like. This is how it looks like on me right now. I did some plucking a little bit right here. I didn't pull foundation, so I need to pull foundation right there, like my shade foundation, and that will look so amazing and beautiful at the same time. I did a little bit of baby hair to test it how it is and how the wig take the gel, and I don't think the wig take the gel quite good, so I think that baby hair I need to cut a little bit again to make it more natural baby hair basically, or to do something about it basically. And I didn't pluck that quite much in the front, because I thought the more I pluck it, the more it's gonna be bit too much, and it won't basically, because it's not human hair, it might ruin the wig. So I didn't pluck that much. I just plucked a little bit on the front, and the side I plucked a little bit, and this is how it looks like, guys, at the moment. I didn't do baby hair in the front. I just tested that a little bit right there in the front to see how the hair is gonna take the gel. But the hair, I don't think the gel is quite good for the hair, so I'm just gonna leave it just like that. But it's up to you how you're gonna do it basically, guys. And this is how it looks like. So what do you guys think? It's not tangled at all in the back, so that's quite good, and I comb it all the time. It started tangling a little bit. The more you play around with it, the more it's gonna be start tangling. But for £25, it's not that bad, guys. It's literally not bad. £25, guys, I think is not that bad. I think everyone that can rock this wig. It's just so beautiful. Like, I love the color. It goes so beautiful, like summer vibe. And I love all this like loose curls and whatnot. £25. £25 for the wig like this. I would die for it. And I think if I was like a bit like 18, 19, that time you just want to save up your money and go for a holiday. And at the same time, you don't want to think about the wig. This is just perfect, like for a week or 2 weeks, just to take pictures and go out and have fun, whatever. And you can put it in, and then when it start basically to show like he's a bit going down, you can just put it in the bed, because it's only £25, guys. £25 is not that bad for my experience for the wig, because wigs, I know how much expensive it is, especially if you want a really good wig. It's quite expensive and you have to save up. So this can give you a better excuse to save up basically into when you have a perfect place to basically to spend your money. And I think this is literally so cute. And then so long to all of it right here. So cute, so cute. So yeah, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little, basically a little wig section, me and you, to just give you a little tips how to get your wig very cheap and very affordable, and it looks so amazing. I don't think you need to spend that much money, you know, on wigs, but sometimes you have to, because obviously the more you spend on the wig, the more basically it's gonna stay quite a long time with you. But if you spend less money like this is only for 2 weeks, and that's it, you have to put in the bin for just taking little cute pictures and go out and take videos, and that's it. But this is usually amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I can't stop playing around with this wig. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, I just need to do the baby hair a little bit. Lovely, because I don't think this hair, it takes the gel quite well. So, and this is the part on the front. Not bad, not bad at all. But anyways, yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.